Hi guys, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with my incoming swap, and this was hosted by Rhoda, who's Nifty Crafty Me on YouTube and Instagram. And I'm so excited. This was the Christmas in July Memdex group swap, and I just love receiving packages. So, and I just wanted to show you the outside of the box. She's so extra as a host to send so many packages, and the fact that she decorated the box is just insane. Thank you, Rhoda, for hosting again. Let's just get into this. So she has this adorable little thank you, and she's just thanking me for joining, and some paper and some shred. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna just take out all of the incoming. And if you have yet to see my swap, I'll leave that down below. But I'm super excited. I was really kind of hesitant on watching because I like it to be a surprise. So I'm so excited to see some of these for the first time. So this adorable little pouch, and hopefully this comes off perfect. This is a little Santa hat. I love this, and I love the use of the she used felt for the fuzzy parts of the Santa hat. And I love this little tassel. Adorable. It's a Christmas tree. It kind of looks like a Christmas tree, but yeah, I love that. Oh, so I'm going to totally read this. Thank you so much. Let's see who this first one is from. Okay. Oh, how darling. And this is from Labor of Love 23. And I'll leave all of the information of the ladies down below. Again, this is absolutely darling. A lovely little shaker. I love the use of the diamond dots and all of the clusters. Oh, so cute. So cute. Love that. Thank you. Thank you, Leslie. Look at the shaker. I'm just like admiring it. So pretty. All the pastel goodness. Thank you, Leslie. And then this is bundle number 2. So this is so cute. I love this ribbon. Little candy cane, little bundle, and this little heart bead dangle. I wonder if I can just open this up. I think I might have to undo this. Yeah. I love this red ribbon. So cute. Okay. This incoming, I'm not sure what this rickrack is for, but this incoming is from Cindy, and her IG handle is In Love with Paper. And this is her adorable little memory decks. It's so chunky, and you can see inside here that it's a shaker, and she did a little like kind of interactive little layered piece. I love the little use of pom-poms and the little dangles on the side. So cute. I didn't really have all access to my Christmas stuff. I only brought like some papers and some little embellishments, so I wasn't really all in, but it came out cute either way. And this is Cindy's adorable memory decks. Thank you, Cindy. Next up, oh, this is so cute. Look how shabalicious this is. Oh, I love this little heart piece. And it's in this little tote. So cute. Ooh. And I think this is this is definitely a Frank Garcia collection. Oh, this is Caprice's. I forget which collection it is. I have so many, but look at her card that she made. Wow. I don't know where you get these flat, what do you call these? Enamel dots. They're not even enamel. They're like little metal dots, but they're so cute. And I love all the details. You can see kind of like the shininess on the card where she's glossy accent, put a little snow details. Adorable. And you went a little extra with the card. Thank you so much. I love this. And this is her memory deck. She decorated it super cute. Oh, I almost opened this. pull it from the bottom. Oh, I love this. So cute. Look how darling this is. She did a wreath. And again, with your enamel dots, I love how small and these pearls are. They're so cute. It's very shabby and adorable, and I love it. I love the use of tulle. Thank you, Caprice. And then last but not least, oh my God, this is from Rhoda. Rhoda, you gave so much. Oh my Lord. I did not nearly even send that much. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, Rhoda. This is so stinking cute. Rhoda. Gosh. I think I messed this up. I aggressively handled the tie. Oh my God, Ro. You went above and beyond. And now I can't seem to open this. Come on. Okay, can I just pull this off? Okay. Adorable little Gingy house. And this pouch is to die for. Oh my goodness. Rhoda. So cute. So she put in like fun little pink pom-poms. She gave us this little scrubby pack. Oh my goodness. And then this is her memory decks. Okay. Like, what? Hold on. I watched her video. And I already know she like did so much. And again, I'm sorry in advance, or if you have an open mind, for being so ginormous. I just like it nice and big. Oh my, how darling this is. Look at all the layers. Crazy. She's puffed up. I'm so happy to have Rhoda's work. You know, we've followed each other for so long, and I love your style, obviously. It's so cute. I love all the details, like all of the crazy stitching. You can see how much work she's put into this. And just all the like little knickknacks that are kind of doing peekaboos. So cute. And then she, like, if that wasn't enough, she added another little bundle. I'm wondering, without completely mangling this. Oh yeah, I can kind of open it from the side because I want to keep this box. It's so dang cute. Look how cute this is. Oh my God, Ro, you spoiled us. So she included Gingies and candy cane. Rhoda, oh my goodness. But you guys, like, Christmas came early and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for all the goodies, ladies. I will leave all of the information to these talented, wonderful creators down below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.